This is Phil from TowFLEXX, coming from Las Vegas NBAA show. Let me show you our stand. This is the TowFLEXX Tier 3. This would do aircrafts for £20,000, single wheel aircraft, free remote control, and zero hydraulics. Very simple to use. Next unit, we have the TowFLEXX Tier 4. Again, a complete remote control unit. This will lift your nose off the ground and let you rotate, as all of the Tugs, 360 around your nose wheel, keeping your nose wheel straight, forward facing, and stress free. Then we have the TowFLEXX Tier 5. This would do your jets up to £132,000. This will cover your long range business jets. Again, completely lifting the nose wheel off the ground, keeping your nose wheel stress free and forward facing at all times. Totally hydraulic free. Let me show you what else we've got here. So we've got our business partners here, High-Tech. We have ground power equipment here. So this is our sales and service partner based in the USA. Come and see us. Booth number C10635. Hope to see you soon. Have a good day.